The members of the church are chanting slogans. We said no. Now, this video that you are watching right now is what is happening in Liberia, African country. What happened is that Methodist church, they are wedding man and man, woman and woman inside the church. But the people of Liberia say they will not support this evil inside their church, inside their country. So the pastor that are pastoring, the priests that are pastoring that particular Methodist church, they want to sack him out because the priest said that he will not support this evil. But the congregation, the members of the church are supporting the pastor, the priest, and their authority is against the priest. So a lot of things is going on. I want you people to watch this video. They have brought this abomination into Africa. They are trying their best to make sure that African countries are doing this evil they are doing. Because we are at the suffering, we need to allow history. Put God, the people, our kind of we promote those things that were created for nation seek the public. The non-religious is a church that is looking for carrying the lives of the people of Liberia. So if we want to go forward, the issue about this attack of their children, the media will be doing good to society. So the vision who is making us is communication to people around the scheme of government of who suffer that will give the nation and you know that they don't have the law that initially to support and then destroy. So you need to go back to the problem of God. It's just now. It's the type of God. It's not me. So we want to say to you the fact that you know that the Lord is consistent. We need persistent. We need persistent. We need theology. We have made sure that we fulfill the process. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We will not be fighting police. We'll be fighting who say well. We are not afraid. We are prepared to stand for the gospel. The Paul said, I need the last day. The time what people will bring issues for you. That now Christian was, and you will resist it. We are prepared to resist harmful. We will remain on their front from today forward. When we meet on them, we'll not stop and we'll continue to be what we ought to be. So the telling us has spoken. So here when we are spoken, when we meet in this activity, tomorrow will be when the media work for us to attack the bishop. Now you must come down, you must think worse, you need a rethink. His consciousness, you are lost it. You are lost consciousness. Thank you very much.
So the spokesman has given a statement here. So we are still here observing the arrival of the riot police. That is the PSU and the EPS. So we are right here ensuring that prior to this coming, the police were here, and then this is the presence of the police. Police, police are here. This is police. The police is using removing members from around the church. The members. So the police have locked the church building. Police has locked the church building and walking away with the key of the church. The commander of the PSU has the key in his possession. the vehicle that the church key is being carried by the commander of the PSU. And we are told that today there should be a program. Yeah, that's a graduation program. Yeah. And PSU boss, you just carried the church key while graduation is pending. Right after service, the graduation is supposed to start. Yeah. Looking at the things here, when you sense 8 o'clock, ensuring that we covered this happenings. Sure, this is what's happening here at the United Methodist Church.
So we still against it. When we want the church to subscribe the military, in person of Samuel Jerupa and accomplices, we deny them and we're not getting them. Not going to let them buy. Sooner or later, we cancel the ticket and the template and there's United. We cancel the template and United being 7-second military. We're not going to be detailed, we're not going to be afraid. Any riding police officer, any armed soldier you come here, we tell the truth and nothing more than the truth. They tell me not subscribe to care back in the sector. But they have to come here. We're not subscribing to it. And I'm navigated and first copy of the report. And you read the report, it's very bad. Watch it, man. The church should be officiating men getting married. Thank you very much.
So is the church trying to impose or will on the member?
Say the bishop.
The bishop.
We stand against it. The pastor here, he's strongly against it. A majority of the Bible, pastor within the Labrano conference, the bishops are spending because they stand against it here. In person of the senior pastor of this second American, one year missing Ali pay for John Warner Church, and you need it. Even the bishop superintendent on the General Wazaki Williams. All right, the bishops are spending going to the due process. The marriage is there must be a due process. And the due process will let come to the last day. If you don't want to put in the day, you say it's enough. It's still a superintendent of the military. So you can see his name. You know how they do it. He's just saying he's sustainable. The same thing. Still, it's a superintendent. We all want to see Agama as an anti-civilian. That's the very best. So that's it. The military will not subscribe to give away the
Maybe the bishop wants people to have their will.
Where you go, will? The bishop will let people have the will. What the Bible says? We are the conservative, no conservative. No. And the liberals, they are the new order. We say, look, we are they get them, they're not what I was saying. We are standing up, every person, when I am around, they tell us to subscribe to this. When I like, come to where I'm not that big. Come to where I'm just
so we are saying that over the past, we have been saying that this also, the security. So, just come around, before we reach the morning, they want to, have something for accompany the resources that they are going to say.
Exactly. The church the local church pastor will be they're not a preacher. All right? They're the picture, which is why I say it's a charade. He's talking with danger, then you have to be able to do the same. You got the money. You got the money. They have a lot of people around it. People are still going to be they are gaining our vision to yes, because I said,
the police, as we observed that the police were pushing the members away to clear the church edifice. So what would be your own recommendation to the government when it comes to the gate right here?
This thing I've been in the news for almost a month now. We are asking national government to finally step in because this will not be the only place. It happened in Ghana and also happened at ERBC community in Methodist Church. And today is Sunday. Next Sunday you will find it somewhere. The government has to step in now and they will not take side to say the family feel or something like that. Not believe it. So you can't be black people. They will have to check black. So maybe next Sunday we have to try hard before they get back in. Because he in favor of that resolution.
I got information that graduation ceremony.
Yes,
so you as a committee leader, what is your intention now to work in line with the church leadership to see how well to certify students and that of their parents?
Yeah, I try to call the pastor to see if we can get all the authorities to do the police.
And we learned that one of the police officers in Puerto Rico is one of the members of the church. And we learned that he's the one, asked to take one of the key and lock the area. As we speak allegedly, the key is in the hands of the police. According to one of the church members, and we support, I don't think we should be the one, to come and lock the church. Because while there's no violence, there's no fighting going on yet. So if the police come, the only thing is just to contact the area and see whether there is violence. We are not seeing anything white. For them to see people come there and asking the people, the only thing they put on the floor is worshiping. So we as people now, we are going to engage the police director. They are sent to 77 people. So who knows tomorrow they might be able to show this. Yeah, never between the peace. There's nothing to do. That is people have their will. Yeah, the person who told we can force it. That's their right. Right? So they get eyes. This will be the school they put the people together and they are you yourself a chance to say you oppose it. The only thing is to get the church now. If there is something that another people is coming back, so that I is coming back. So you should go to the
reaction and great reaction from recognition from this part of 72nd junction where this incident is this is happening. What this is happening, so So folks, we still right here ensuring that we bring you the happenings here. The church building is locked by and the key is in the hands of the chief of the PSU, that's the head of the PSU. And we are told that today there should be a graduation ceremony in the church. Following the church service, the police enter and the place was locked. So this is it, making sure that we give you a play-by-play happiness. Yeah. And the church earlier today, they read a statement against the practice of same-sex marriage. According to them, the church will not. According to them, their church will not allow the practice of same-sex marriage in their church. So this is it, ensuring that we bring you a live coverage and the live happenings of things. Yeah. So this is it.
So welcome to the media.
Thank you very much. This Evangelist A. Marshall Nimbo, the king of San Francisco UMC.
Today, you people are here gathering outside of the church.
Pardon me, I'm not getting you.
Today, you people are gathering right outside of the church as means of you people rejecting the alleged same-sex marriage which have been imposed on you by Bishop Samuel Kwayon. What do you make of this all-important gathering right outside of the church today?
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you, media. You are welcome. We are against whatsoever that Reverend Samuel Kwayon is talking about. We mean the gay business. He is said 2004, he told us that gay is not good. We should go against gays. Today he coming up, telling us we should practice gay. And we will forever never be part of Christianization, because Christianization, there are a lot of consequences within Christianization. Within Christianization, you will get married to your man, your brother your sister will get married to your father, you can get married to your friend, and the pastor can get married to any number of persons that you want to get married to within the church. Against God's will. You can divorce at any time against God's will. Your sister, your wife can take up the pregnancy, what they call abortion. And abortion is not good, and they are in favor for it. And they are saying we should agree for the gay. If we agree, not only gay, because I'm only gay, there's no going up. We had gay, we had lesbianism, six and marriage, but what have you? You are not saying, but gay is the one that came with the need. We had a lot of things with it. You get what I'm saying? And we against it because it's not of God. It is against God's will. So for that reason, we say no to it. No forever, no now, and no tomorrow.
With all of this that are happening, what does it mean to the church? The United Methodist
It's a disgrace to the church. Total disgrace. If you go on my page, you see it, there's total disgrace. There's a total disgrace. They're not the United Methodists. So the Christian done. The whole Christian done. And against it. And it's a disgrace to all the Christians. Because tomorrow, they how to call them? No, the Muslim people today, when they go to the mosque, they say, I'm walking out, they will not say United Methodist Church. They will say the Christian. They against it. It's an insult to us. So we say no to it. Now what we agree to go for is for him to calm down. We had to bring him down by force. He had to calm down. The bishop must calm down. He's not coming down to us, but he should leave a position. For me on my post, I always say he should leave a position because he's not fit. Because he can't move. Because he is not fit to be bishop to lead his people. The former bishop, Reverend Arthur Kulan, called him for a meeting asking for reconciliation. He refused to do so. 4 days ago, Reverend Dr. Samuel Reeves of the Lutheran Church called him to see raising. He said no. So now you not listen to the people of God who you will listen to. He's doing this in order to get money for himself, for his own riches. And we against it. We against gay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
So the bishop refused to resign, how come that, right?
He not refused to resign.
What's going to be your next action?
When he refused. Yes. When he refused, you will see a few days from now on, we will march to the office.
Thank you.
You want to say something? So this is it. We here at the United Methodist Church, 72nd United Methodist Church, where members of the church are protesting against the practice of gay marriage. According to them, their church will not allow or will not accept gay marriage. Weeks ago, they explained that their pastor was suspended because he is so vocal against the practice of gay marriage.
Elder of this community. This position that the Methodist Church want to bring in our community, we are totally against it. We don't want gays and lesbians our community to come in our community. Our children, our great-grandchildren, our grandchildren will be affected. So if the Methodist Church is to undo gay music in our community, we will not allow it.
So what will be the answer of the community if the church?
The answer of the community, we might take the law into our hands. We gave the land to the Methodist Church. If this church will have to change the name, to change the name of the Methodist Church to a different denomination. If this church allows that to happen, we will not.
So members of the community here as well. So we are still posted at the 72nd United Methodist Church. A very huge presence of the Liberia's National Police with aggrieved church members, along with some community dwellers, are here standing against what they call the acceptance of gay marriage in their church. So we are right here ensuring that we bring you a full coverage. Thanks to all our viewers, all of our regular viewers. Thanks. What you do follow this, just share this on television, invite your friend to be a part of it, so as you can get all of the happenings. Methodist Church, United Methodist Church, 72nd, is protesting against the practice of gay marriage. They are saying their church will not accept. They are saying their church will not accept. So at this point, we will take a pause. But before we were here since 8 o'clock, got information that the church pastor was suspended by the bishop of the Methodist Church, and the church, because of him being so vocal against the practice or the acceptance of gay marriage in the Methodist Church. So we are here and the church read a statement. So folks, let us take a pause here at this point. So as I was saying, the church is against the practice of gay marriage. So they have gathered outside of the church edifice to call the attention of the public. So this is it.
So if it's